Inflammation is a natural and normal process in the body's response to injury and disease. It acts as the body's first line of defense, mobilizing immune cells and chemical signals to ward off threats. When tissue is damaged, whether by injury, disease, or other stressors, dead cells release a variety of chemical mediators, such as cytokines and prostaglandins, which cause inflammation. This complex biological response is an important part of healing, as it helps remove harmful substances, destroy pathogens, and initiate the repair of damaged tissue. Inflammation can take many forms, including redness, warmth, swelling, and pain, all of which indicate increased blood and immune function in the affected area. This inflammatory response is important for healing and allowing the body to repair itself and return to homeostasis. But when the inflammatory response is prolonged or reduced, it results in chronic inflammation, which is very different and dangerous. Chronic inflammation occurs when the body continues to release inflammatory signals even after the original cause has been resolved. This prolonged state of alertness can be caused by chronic diseases, autoimmune diseases, or exposure to pesticides and other factors. Unlike acute inflammation, which is often beneficial and protective, chronic inflammation is linked to a variety of health problems, including heart disease, diabetes, arthritis, and asthma, certain cancers, and neurological diseases, such as Alzheimer's disease. The mechanisms of chronic inflammation are complex interactions between the immune system and various signaling pathways. This chronic inflammation can cause tissue damage and contribute to disease progression, emphasizing the importance of understanding and managing inflammation in our bodies. Given the important role inflammation plays in overall health, it is important to make lifestyle and dietary choices that help reduce inflammation. By doing this, we can achieve better health outcomes and reduce the risk of related diseases. In this discussion, we'll look at 8 anti-inflammatory foods you should include in your diet to support your immune system and help keep the cancer response at bay. Today, we are going to talk about 8 anti-inflammatory foods that you should include in your diet. 1. Fruits. Fruits like strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are small fruits that contain fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They contain antioxidants called anthocyanins, which are effective in preventing inflammation and reducing the risk of disease. A 2018 research review suggests that phytochemicals in seeds can slow the development and progression of cancer. In addition, a study found that adults who ate strawberries had lower levels of certain inflammatory markers associated with heart disease compared to those who did not. 2. Fatty fish. Fatty fish, such as salmon, sardines, herring, and mackerel, are good sources of protein and long-chain omega-3 fatty acids, especially eicosapentaenoic acid, EPA, and docosahexaenoic, DHA. These fatty acids help reduce inflammation and can prevent metabolic syndrome, heart disease, diabetes, and kidney disease. Our body converts these fatty acids into compounds called resolvins and proteins, which exhibit anti-inflammatory effects. Studies have shown that people who eat salmon or EPA and DHA supplements experience a reduction in the inflammatory marker C-reactive protein 3. Broccoli. Top of our list is broccoli, a cruciferous vegetable that is as beneficial as cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and kale. Research has shown that eating a lot of cruciferous vegetables is associated with a lower risk of heart disease and cancer. This may be related to the anti-inflammatory effects of the antioxidants it contains. Broccoli is rich in sulforaphane, an antioxidant that reduces inflammation by reducing levels of cytokines and nuclear factor kappa B, FKE, a molecule that triggers inflammation in your body. 4. Avocado. Avocado contains potassium, magnesium, fiber, and heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. It also contains carotenoids and tocopherols, which are linked to a lower risk of cancer and heart disease. A compound in avocado can reduce inflammation in new skin cells. In a positive study of 51 obese adults, eating avocados for 12 weeks decreased levels of inflammatory markers, such as interleukin-1 beta, and C-reactive protein. 5. Matcha. You may have heard that green tea like matcha is one of the healthiest drinks. Research has shown that drinking green tea is associated with a lower risk of heart disease, cancer, Alzheimer's disease, obesity, and other diseases. Most of its benefits are due to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, especially a substance called epigallocatechin 3-gallate, EGCG. EGCG prevents inflammation by reducing the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines and damaging fatty acids in our cells. 6. Grapes. Grapes are another great fruit that contains anthocyanins that help reduce inflammation. They can also reduce the risk of many diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, obesity, arthritis, Alzheimer's, and eye diseases. Grapes are one of the best sources of resveratrol, an antioxidant compound with many health benefits. Research shows that resveratrol can protect the heart from inflammation. 7. Turmeric. Our food list is incomplete without turmeric. This spice has a warm and sweet aroma and is used in curries and other Indian dishes. It has received much attention because it contains curcumin, a powerful pain-killing compound. Research has shown that turmeric can reduce inflammation associated with arthritis, diabetes, and other diseases. In one study, people with metabolic syndrome who took 1 gram of curcumin per day and black pepper piperine had a significant reduction in the inflammatory marker C-reactive protein. It is difficult to get enough curcumin from turmeric alone to be effective, so it is better to take supplements that contain isolated curcumin. 8. Virgin olive oil. Last but not least is virgin olive oil. This oil is one of the healthiest fats you can eat. Rich in monounsaturated fats, this oil is a staple of the Mediterranean diet and has many health benefits. Studies show that extra virgin olive oil can reduce the risk of heart disease, brain cancer, obesity, and other serious diseases. Studies show that following a Mediterranean diet and supplementing with extra virgin olive oil can significantly reduce inflammatory symptoms. The effectiveness of oleocanthal, an antioxidant found in olive oil, has been compared to anti-inflammatory drugs such as ibuprofen. Remember that extra virgin olive oil has more benefits than refined olive oil. In addition to these foods, consider including peppers, dark chocolate, mushrooms, and tomatoes in your diet, as they also possess anti-inflammatory properties. Even low levels of inflammation on a chronic basis can lead to disease, so it's crucial to keep inflammation in check by choosing a wide variety of delicious, antioxidant-rich foods. Eating foods that are as close to their original form as possible, such as whole fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and seeds, allows you to maximize the intake of essential nutrients, while minimizing the consumption of processed ingredients that can promote inflammation. Opting for a variety of brightly colored foods is not just visually appealing. It also ensures a diverse array of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that combat oxidative stress and support overall health. Incorporating these anti-inflammatory foods into your daily meals can be both enjoyable and beneficial. Experimenting with new recipes, trying seasonal produce, and exploring different cooking methods make healthy eating exciting. Additionally, paying attention to your overall lifestyle, including exercise, proper sleep, and stress management, can increase your body's ability to keep the inflammatory response at bay. Remember that the journey to better health is a total journey. Small, consistent changes can lead to big improvements over time. Share this important information with your loved ones and encourage them to make healthy food and lifestyle choices. The more we can educate ourselves and others about the importance of nutrition and its effects on inflammation, the better off our communities will be. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more healthy tips, delicious recipes, and the latest food and lifestyle research. Join us on this journey to see how simple dietary changes can lead to a healthier and happier life. Thanks for watching. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing more insights with you in the future. Good luck and take care.